Hey, it's Chris Allingham with the Richard Weber Bullet with a quick tip on cleaning the lid and the middle cooking section of your Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker. Find a nice soft work towel, get it wet, wring it out so it's just slightly damp, and while you're cooking, while the cooker is hot, wipe down the lid with the damp towel. Make sure you're using a heat-resistant glove at all times. Steam is very, very hot, could burn you, so make sure you use a heat-resistant glove. Wipe off the entire surface of the lid and the thermometer. This will lift off all the grease and gunk and dirt that's on the lid. This is also a good method for cleaning the damper on the lid of the Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker. The steam lifts the gunk right off. And don't forget to clean the access door and the areas around the access door. The steam is very effective at cleaning these areas too.